Hare Krishna. Today we are going to see the story of Arjuna and the eye of the bird. The power of focus. This story will teach you to focus your mind, stay attentive, be determined to achieve your best and to remember Krishna. Long ago, in the great kingdom of Hastinapura, there lived many royal princes. Among them was a brave young prince named Arjuna. He would one day become the greatest archer in the world and a dear friend of Lord Krishna. This is the wonderful story of how Arjuna learned the secret of perfect focus. The kingdom of Hastinapura was ruled by the famous Kuru dynasty. In this kingdom lived the royal princes known as the Pandavas and the Kauravas. These princes grew up together and learned many skills. The Pandavas were 5 brothers: Yudhishthira, Bhima, Arjuna, Nakula and Sahadeva. The Kauravas were 100 brothers led by Duryodhana and Dushyasana. All the princes were trained by their royal teacher Dronacharya. He was a wise guru and master of warfare. Every day, he taught the princes how to use different weapons and become strong warriors. Dronacharya taught many different skills. The princes learned archery, sword fighting, spear fighting, chariot fighting, and gada fighting with heavy maces. They practiced hard every day and became very skilled. Yudhishthira became an expert in throwing spears and fighting from a chariot. Bhima and Duryodhana became powerful fighters with the gada. Nakula and Sahadeva were skilled swordsmen. Ashwathama, the son of Dronacharya, became famous for using magical weapons. But among all the students, Arjuna was special. He worked harder than everyone else. He became excellent in many forms of combat, but his greatest talent was archery. His aim was so accurate that people said he could fight with 60,000 soldiers at the same time. One day, Dronacharya decided it was time to test his students. He wanted to see which prince had truly understood the secret of becoming a great warrior. He carefully placed a toy bird high on the branch of a tree. Then he called all the princes and gathered them around. Dronacharya said, "I want all of you to aim at the eye of that toy bird situated on the tree with your bow and arrows. I will call each one of you turn by turn to do so." First, Dronacharya called Yudhishthira. The eldest Pandava picked up his bow, placed an arrow on the string and carefully aimed at the bird. Dronacharya asked, "My dear prince, tell me what you see." Yudhishthira replied, "Gurudeva, I see you, my brothers, the tree and the bird." Dronacharya asked the same question again and again. Each time Yudhishthira gave the same answer. Finally, Dronacharya said, "Put down your bow and return to your seat." Next came Duryodhana. He too aimed carefully at the bird. Dronacharya asked him the same question, "What do you see?" Duryodhana replied, just like Yudhishthira, he could see the teacher, the tree, and the bird. One by one, all the princes were called forward. Every student gave the same answer. Dronacharya became disappointed because none of them understood what he was looking for. Finally, Dronacharya called Arjuna. Calmly, Arjuna picked up his bow and fixed his eyes on the target. Everyone watched silently. Dronacharya asked, "Arjuna, tell me what you see. Can you see me? Can you see your brothers? Can you see the tree? Can you see the bird?" Arjuna replied, "Gurudeva, I cannot see you. I cannot see my brothers. I cannot see the tree. I can only see the bird's eye and nothing else. When Dronacharya heard this answer, he smiled with great happiness. He immediately gave Arjuna permission to shoot. Arjuna took a deep breath, focused completely on the target, and released the arrow. The arrow flew straight through the air and struck the eye of the bird perfectly. The toy bird fell from the branch onto the ground. Arjuna had hit the target exactly. Dronacharya was extremely pleased. He hugged Arjuna warmly and praised him in front of everyone. Arjuna had shown the power of concentration, attention, and determination. As Arjuna grew older, he became the greatest archer in the world. Most importantly, he became a dear friend and devotee of Lord Krishna. Many years later, on the battlefield of Kurukshetra, Lord Krishna spoke the Bhagavad Gita to Arjuna, teaching him eternal spiritual wisdom that continues to guide people even today. So, children, what is the moral of the story? Arjuna became great because he learned how to focus completely on his goal. The power of attention and concentration helped him become the greatest archer and warrior in the world. How do we apply the lesson? We can learn from Arjuna's example. When we study, play, help others, chant the holy names, or pray to Krishna, we should do it with full attention. When we focus on what is important, we can achieve wonderful results. Just as Arjuna focused only on the bird's eye, let us focus our minds on doing our best and remembering Krishna. Hare Krishna.